Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to create a pricing table using the htmega plugin. Pricing tables are very important for every website that offers products or services. It's one of the best ways to differentiate between the features and prices of different products or services. Furthermore, it will help your visitors decide which plan is the best for them. Let me show you how you can create a pricing table. From the Elementor widget panel, search for the pricing table widget. Drag the widget to the section. From the layout panel, select style for your pricing table. There are 6 different styles available for the pricing table widget. Here you can add a title for your pricing table. Enable this option if you want to show ribbon. In the pricing panel, you can change the currency symbol, price, and period. You can also add an offer by enabling this option. Here you can add features for a pricing table. Add more features if you need. In the footer panel, you will get options to insert a button, text, and link. From the Style tab, you can control the necessary styles for all the elements of this widget. So this way you can create a pricing table on your website. If you have any suggestions to improve this widget, please let us know in the comments below. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.